Hi, this is Tracie Sage, and I'm here to bring you a arm strengthening and toning workout that I'm doing because my arms aren't as strong as the rest of me, and so I started doing this to get my arms to be stronger. And I've got a ways to go, and it's working. So I wanted to share this with you. And this can be done with some weights. You can also do the exercises without weights, and weights are ideal. So I'm going to put this out there as a workout with weights. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to start with 2 5-pound weights, and depending on how strong you are, you might want heavier weights or lighter weights. So just see what works for you, and we'll do this little routine together. So I like to start with one in each hand, and we're going to start with bicep curls. So hands facing forward, knees slightly bent. So the stance that I use is generally knees slightly bent and small curve in the back, shoulders back and over the hips, ears over the shoulders. Okay? So let's begin. Knees slightly bent, belly button coming in towards the spine. So you're using your core here. And then inhaling up, exhaling down. Take it nice and slow. Get a better workout that way. Inhaling up, exhaling down, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I usually start with 15 bicep curls. Then I cross the weights and work on the triceps above my head. So arms come up nice and straight, close to the ears, and then keeping the arms close to the ears and the shoulders down away from the ears. Knees bent, belly button towards the spine, slight curve in the lower back, and then we inhale, exhale, 1, inhale, exhale, 2, inhale, exhale, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 is my magic number, and then release down. Okay? And you can do that, both of those, 1 or 2 more times if you like, if you need it. That what we're aiming for is we want to work until the muscles are fatigued. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, like I work 2 to 3 times a week. And so in a couple days, like today's a Monday, so I might do it today, and then Wednesday, and then Friday. Or I might just do today and Thursday, and then Monday again. So whichever you like, 2 to 3 times a week is good. You want to give yourself at least 48 hours to rest in between so your muscles can build in that repair time. So that's what I do. So now I'm going to take some smaller weights. These are 3 pounds. You might, if you started with 10 pounds, you might be dropping down to 5 pounds. But I dropped down to a smaller weight for the next bit. So the next one we're going to do is the bicep curls. Again, let's just do a few of those. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. And if you didn't do these with weights, you would do the same movement, only you would imagine that you're lifting something heavy and hold it, right? And just engage the biceps, right? So you can do it with no weights, doing an isometric hold, okay? And I will do another video with no weights, so no worries, but this is my first one. Good. So just to remind us about that, and now we're going to take the weights and come out. I'll show you from this side. We're just going to lift them to about shoulder height. And I just open my palms and lift them to about shoulder height and then come down. And because we're reaching out, this is more challenging. But again, knees are bent, little arch in the lower back, and belly button towards the spine, okay? And we'll do 15 of these. So 3, 4, 5, and I hold, pause at the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we're going to do a combination of the two. So we're going to inhale up, exhale to fold. Inhale out, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, curl. Inhale out, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, curl. Inhale out, exhale down. I lost count, so hopefully you're counting. I think that's about 5. 6, 7, 8. Now, if you get, if your muscles fatigue before you get to 15, then stop there. So you just want to get to the point of fatigue, and my muscles are almost there. So I'm not sure how many we've done now. I'm going to guess this is about 12. So I'm going to aim for 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. And down. Okay? So now we're going to do some triceps. And so for this one, again, knees bent, belly button in, slight arch in the lower back, and shoulders over the hips. You can bring them up towards your shoulders and back, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and ears over the shoulders. And so for this one, we're just going to go straight back. I hold them with my knuckles forward, and then inhale and down. Inhale, exhale down. So we're going to do 15 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, do a little pause at the top, 14 and 15. And then I do pulses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do one more round. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. Rest for a moment. So you may notice that sometimes I also, when I'm here, I may take my chest just a little bit forward and hinge at the hips a little bit. And I think that's fine to do. And sometimes that just makes it a little easier. But the most important thing is that you're really engaged in here, that you're not slouching, right? That you're not getting too far ahead of yourself because that'll strain your neck. So either a slight tilt or straight up and down with belly engaged, okay? So let's see, what's next? Oh, let's do this one. So this one is triceps too. So you take the triceps here and fold in. Inhale, inhale, 3, inhale, 4, inhale, 5, inhale, 6, inhale, 7, inhale, 8, inhale, 9, inhale, 10, inhale, 11, inhale, 12, inhale, 13, inhale, 14, inhale, 15, and shake it out for a moment. Good, and so now we're going to combine the last two. So we're going to come straight back, fold in, straight back, and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and down. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, and down. Now I got confused. Okay, so inhale, exhale, inhale, down, inhale, exhale, inhale, and down. I'm going to do 10 of these because my arms are getting tired. If you can do what works for you, feel free to pause the video if your arms are not tired. And feel free to do less if your arms are fatigued sooner, okay? So the idea is to just fatigue those muscles. Take them, push them further than you usually go, and then give them a couple days rest, and they'll begin to get stronger and more toned, okay? Good, and one more. Good. Okay, so then next what I like to do, shoulder work. And so for this, we will come out to the side. So I bring my thumbs to the center, or thumbs on top, right? And then, so it looks like this. And then I guess my palms are forward. And then I come out, almost as if I'm conducting a concert. And again, I'm inhaling, holding, pausing, and then exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woohoo! Okay, so another couple for the shoulders. So this one is just straight out from the side. So like so. And we just go straight up. 1, 2, and I'll face you. 3, 4, 5, 6, knees are bent, 7, belly button in, 8, little curve in the lower back, 9, 10, woo! I don't know if I can do any more. Let me pause for a moment, see if I can get 5 more in. Here we go, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and shake it out. Okay, so the last one is is above the head, and you bring your elbows in right in front of your shoulders and bent at a right angle, okay? And so for this one, if you have a shoulder injury and it doesn't feel good, don't do it, okay? And you can also do this, sometimes I do this sitting down because it's, then my back is in good alignment and I feel supported. So I often do this sitting down, but I'll do it standing up with you today. So let's go. Inhale, reach up, reach up. 3, 4, keep them to the center. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just do 10. 10. Good. And take it down. Good. So that's my routine. It covers a bunch of different muscles around the shoulder and the triceps and the biceps so that your arms are becoming stronger and your shoulders too. Okay? I hope you like that. And yeah, if you do, please like and share the video so that we can all get our arms nice and strong and toned. Especially as a mature woman, it's a time where we often don't have a lot of upper body strength. I know I didn't, and so I'm wanting to build that, and I encourage you to do the same. It's great to have strong arms for as long as we live. Okay, blessed be.